What are you doing?
Get down. B's got it cold, although he won't admit it. So we're teaching Zibi to play fetch. Zibi.
I have so many questions right now. Starting with how a vegetable can catch a cold?
And Mr. and Mrs. Corazon said that technically I'm a fruit, but anyway, I think it's only allergies.
Like what you're using for a ball and why a sick fruit is serving food at a diner.
Easy. Mrs. Corazon said that only other avocados are in danger of catching it. Also, no offense to the cryptids in the room, but most of them are already dead. And 3, most of the food here is cooked and served by a mummy. That's been decaying for thousands of years. What was the other question?
The ball?
Watch out, everyone. Here it comes. Achoo!
I wouldn't say only avocados are in danger.